Deep beneath the blue waves of the sea lived a little fish named Finn. Finn was small, much smaller than the others. While the big fish swam fast and strong, Finn loved to watch the sunlight dance through the water and listen to the ocean songs. One morning, Finn woke up to find something strange floating above him. A plastic bottle. Curious, he swam closer. But before he knew it, he got trapped inside. The bottle closed around him, and he couldn't move freely anymore. "Help! Someone! Please help!" Finn cried, but his tiny voice was lost in the heavy water. Many sea creatures swam past. A proud turtle, a giant shark, a school of shiny sardines. But they all said the same thing. "It's not our problem." Finn's heart sank. He pushed and pushed, but the bottle wouldn't open. For the first time, he felt small, helpless, and forgotten. As the days passed, the water around him grew darker. He saw plastic bags floating like jellyfish and cans resting on the ocean floor. The once vibrant coral reefs looked pale and broken. Finn realized it wasn't just him who was trapped. The whole ocean was slowly getting sick. He whispered to himself, "If no one cares, soon we'll all be trapped." So he decided to do something brave. He used the sharp edge of a rock to scratch and twist until, crack, the bottle broke. Finn was free again. He swam straight to the coral reef and shouted, "We can't wait for others to fix this. We must care for our home, together." At first, no one listened. But then a small crab nodded. Then a seahorse joined in. And soon, a whole group of sea creatures followed Finn, cleaning the ocean, bit by bit. The turtle carried plastic bags to the surface. The dolphins pushed floating trash toward the shore. Even the giant shark helped move heavy nets that were stuck on the coral. Days turned into weeks. The ocean began to shine again, clear, colorful, and alive. Tiny plants grew back, and fish danced freely in the sunlight once more. One morning, as Finn looked around, he saw something amazing. The water sparkled brighter than ever before. The ocean whispered gently, "Thank you, little one. You taught me to care again." Finn smiled, feeling a warmth in his heart he had never felt before. He realized that even a small creature can make a big difference when it chooses to act with love and courage. From that day on, all the sea creatures remembered Finn's message. Whenever they saw something wrong, they didn't say, "It's not my problem." They said, "Let's fix it, together." And so, the moral of the story is this: no one is too small to make a difference. When we care for our world, our kindness spreads like waves across the ocean. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video and subscribe for more. See you next time.